the transitions. We will learn different transitions between the outside leg hang and the inside leg hang, and back to the outside leg hang. Here again, I strongly recommend you to use a pole crash mat for safety. Let's take a look at the whole sequence and then at the transitions we'll be working on now. Before to show you the transitions, I want to show you the main grip we're going to be using. It's really my inside leg that I'm going to be using. So upper part of my inside leg. And also, I really want to have all my core active. So I'm going to engage my abs, everything I can around my core. I'm going to move to the pole and I'm going to teach you the transitions from the knee wrap, which we covered in the part 1 of this series. You want to go to your chopper, and I'm going to wrap around. I'm going to chicken wing. You see it less, but with my back hand, I'm really pressing with my arm in the pole. Tilt your pelvis, and release the other hand. My inside leg, I'm going to extend it straight. So I want it parallel to the floor. This way, it's pressing into the pole, really pressing hard into the pole. My outside leg can come and cross over. So my ankles are crossing and my thighs are both pressing in the pole. If you want, you can raise up your outside hip to hold better. Yeah. From here, you can come in a nice tuck position, already extend. If you feel that you have a good grip on your inside leg, keep pressing it into the pole and you can straddle and open the other leg. This is my inside leg. As long as my inside leg is pressing into the pole, I can straddle and open my outside leg. My inside leg stays into the pole. Let's try it again. And I'm gonna do it from the other side so that you can see my chicken wing. Knee wrap. Tilt your pelvis. Bring the leg in. See, my chicken wing is pressing. The other one comes over. If I want, I can tap it or I can open it, but this one is still pressing into the pole. To come down, you can come to your knee wrap or to your X wrap. There you go.